Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro using your mobile app. Let's dive right in. First, open the eToro app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type in Bitcoin or BTC. From the search results, select Bitcoin. Here, you will see the Bitcoin chart, recent performance, and other details. Take a moment to review the stats if you want. Now, tap the green trade button to start your purchase. Make sure your account is verified. Then, fill in the details and enter the amount you'd like to invest in Bitcoin. eToro shows you the equivalent amount in Bitcoin below. Ensure Buy is selected and double check your input. Once everything looks good, tap Open Trade. eToro will confirm your purchase and the Bitcoin will appear in your portfolio. And that's it. You have successfully bought Bitcoin on eToro using your mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.